कलाकारों का होगा धमाल। एनडीटीवी पूछेगा सवाल, देखिए क्या होता है नेताजी का हाल। आपके शहर में आ गया है एनडीटीवी इलेक्शन कार्निवल।
Hello everyone, good evening. The election carnival has reached the beautiful city of Nizams and Kebabs, the city of Hyderabad. I'm Maria Shakil.
I'm Uma Sudhir, and you forgot the biryani and the pearls and everything else, the cuisine of Telangana that we talk about. But right now, it's the spice of politics that we are going to be focusing on.
In this spice of politics, why is Hyderabad so crucial? Uma.
Hyderabad is very crucial because it's one, the heart of the country we consider ourselves, and it's very cosmopolitan. So much of a mixed population from across the country. Everyone lives in, a lot of amity. Whoever comes here actually ends up thinking ki main to Hyderabadi hu. I like the coolness of the relaxed style of Hyderabad, and yet we are high tech. We have tradition and we have culture, and we believe a lot in democracy. And that's why I think Hyderabad is very important in more ways than one.
Yes, and this time around in Hyderabad, the big election that is playing out is between MIM and Madhavi Lata, who has acquired a sudden fame, I would say. Why do you think the Congress and the BRS is not being discussed?
Okay, the interest that's been captured in the media and elsewhere is Hyderabad. Of course, there are 16 other constituencies, but a lot of importance to Hyderabad, the Lok Sabha constituency, because that's a seat that Asaduddin Owaisi himself has occupied for the last 20 years, and before that his dad as well, and is a woman candidate from the BJP able to give that kind of a challenge. Never happened before. She has captured people's imagination in many ways, that she's able to kind of challenge this, and that's why a lot of interest, the way we thought about Thiruvananthapuram, similarly Hyderabad, Madhavi Lata and Asaduddin Owaisi.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the guests that we have on the dais. They are already seated. Rabula Sridhar, Ram Mohan Reddy, NV Subhash, Saida Palak, all of them are joining us. MIM, BRS, Congress and the BJP are very well represented. So Uma, let's begin the discussion, and I'm going to begin with Saida Palak. Saida, how anxious is the MIM after particularly what happened yesterday in that roadshow of Mr. Amit Shah, where it appeared that the people of Hyderabad are there to bless perhaps Madhavi Lata?
No, we are not at all anxious. It shows the anxiousness of the BJP, because Asaduddin Owaisi Sahab is the best parliamentarian. He stands in the parliament and questions the government about the issues of minorities so bravely, with so much of courage, that the BJP cannot digest it. So they want him to be defeated here, and they are trying the best, and they'll not be successful in that anyhow. They are trying the level best. They'll not be successful. They are worried. That's why they are here. We are not worried. We will win with a thumping majority.
We have got a politician making a debut. She's not even a politician. I mean, she's entered the electoral fray straight away without even probably being a member of the party at that point in time. But very often, Asaduddin Owaisi is accused of being Team B, that you want Asaduddin Owaisi to be there so that you can do your kind of politics.
Asaduddin Owaisi and MIM are not, the Team B of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are only Team A and B of BRS and the Congress Party. If you have seen from past 40 years, whenever, whichever political party is in the fray in the elections, they always count around 16 seats, not, the 17 seats. But after Bharatiya Janata Party's candidate who has come into the fray, as you rightly said, she is not a member of the, the party, but she has come. The party has chosen a brave woman. That is the beauty of, the Bharatiya Janata Party. So all, the foundation of MIM, and they have become so intolerant that, the foundation is getting shaken because of one simple woman who have been instrumental in making many of the minorities to come on the streets and ask their respect.
Okay, so what is the role of the Congress and the BRS? First, the Congress. You are the sitting government here.
And
are you not really in the fray?
And we are contesting there.
Or you are contesting, but are you really in the contest?
But see, when it comes to MIM, I have a different opinion because they usually sail with the ruling government. Either it may be at state level or at the central level. Once there is a central level, BJP is there. Though they went in, hidden alliance with the BJP and fought to cut off the secular votes in the rest of the states. But when it comes to Telangana, now they may be
So
selling
we
with
have
us
an
in the
arrangement
future.
with the MIM that okay, you contest Hyderabad and rest of the places send out the word that the minority vote needs to come to us.
No, not like that. See, there when it comes to Hyderabad, we are contesting there. We are serious, but irrespective of the outcome, we will welcome it. But we are fighting there very strong.
Friendly
The BRS
competition.
not in the race has never been actually no, the party has really been in the race in the old city.
No, I mean, we are contesting there. We have a candidate called Gaddam Srinivas Yadav there contesting from our party. End of the day, it is the people of the constituency has to choose who will be their parliamentarian. We will present our case. We will tell them what we have done in the past 10 years as BRS government. But here, what's happening today in Old City? That's what I'm asking you. Not only there, wherever predominantly this polarization politics. I am asking both the national parties. Are you dead enough to say what have you done being the national government in the past 10 years? What have you done to Hyderabad? What have you done to those sections whom are you asking today the votes? It is the BRS government who has done for the development and welfare of these sections. That's what I'm saying again and again. We have ensured the protection and maintenance of the peace as well the Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb of Hyderabad city.